Hey friends, if you wish to automatically delete Microsoft Edge browsing history every time on exit, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's quite easy. Open Microsoft Edge and then click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select settings. Now go to the privacy search and services tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to the delete browsing history section and do not click on this one, choose what to clear. Click on the second option, choose what to clear every time you close the browser. And now you can turn on the switch for browsing history, download history, cookies, cache, and passwords. I usually leave this. Site permissions, I leave this. Autofill, okay, yes, I will. And I'll tell you who can benefit most from it. For those sneaky kids who don't want their parents to know what all they were viewing, they can check all of these options and they don't need to use the in private mode after that. Every time they close the browser, the history will get deleted. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.